Hello, RPG Don here. Welcome back to another episode of our custom class series. Today's class will be the Artist. First, we'll need two plugins. We'll go to this site and download our Skill Cost Items plugin and our Skill Core plugin. I'll leave a link to both of these plugins in the description. Once we're at our page, we'll scroll down to our Dropbox and choose the Dropbox that's most appropriate. In this tutorial, I'll choose the English Dropbox. We'll then click Download, Direct Download, and save it to your computer. Once you have both of your plugins, you go back to your software, Game, Open Folder, JS, Plugins, and move your plugins here. With that done, we can go to our plugin manager, double-click a row, choose our plugin, and click OK. Once you have both the Skill Core and the Skill Cost Items plugin, you can apply and OK. Now, starting on our class, we'll go to our database cogwheel, Types, make one new skill type, Artwork, and two new weapon types, Blade Brush and Shield Brush. After that, we'll go to our weapons, and make both of our weapons with the appropriate weapon type, Blade Brush to Blade Brush and Shield Brush to Shield Brush. With that done, we can go to our items, and make three new items, Red Paint, Blue Paint, and Green Paint, all regular items with no scope and not consumable. Once that's done, we can start on our skills. Our level 1 skill, Brush Bash, name image description, skill type artwork, no cost, scope 1 enemy, occasion battle screen, under invocation, TP gain 15. Our message, no weapon, HP damage, our formula, variance 20%, and yes to critical hits. Our next skill, Paint the Blade, name image description, skill type artwork, TP cost 10, scope 1 ally, occasion battle screen. Our message, required weapon Blade Brush, and under effects, double-click a row, parameter, add buff, attack, 2 turns, click OK, and we'll do the same for magic attack for 2 turns. Our next skill, Paint the Shield, name image description, skill type artwork, TP cost 10, scope 1 ally, occasion battle screen. Our message, required weapon Shield Brush, no damage, and under effects, parameter, add buff, defense, 2 turns, click OK, and we'll do the same for magic defense. After that, we'll make Flames of Red, name image description, skill type artwork, scope 1 enemy, occasion battle screen, under invocation, TP gain 5. Our message, no weapon, HP damage, our formula with a 5, variance 20%, yes to critical hits. Under element, fire, and under notes, we'll input our note tag, with our first number being the number next to the row of the item that's used for this skill. Flames of Red uses red paint. Under items, red paint is next to the row 43. So in our skill, the first number in our note tag will be 43. The second number is how many of the item will be used every time the skill is used. We'll leave that number at 1. Once we complete this skill, we'll go to Waters of Blue, name image description, skill type artwork, scope 1 enemy, occasion battle screen, TP gain 5. Our message, no weapon, HP damage, element water, our formula, variance 20%, yes to critical hits, and our note tag with 44 to match the 44 of our blue paint. Our next skill, Leaves of Green, name image description, skill type artwork, scope 1 enemy, occasion battle screen, TP gain 5. Our message, no weapon, HP damage, element earth, our formula, variance 20%, yes to critical hits, and our note tag that corresponds to green paint. Now our level 4 skill, Elemental Masterpiece, name image description, skill type artwork, no cost, scope all allies, occasion battle screen. Our message, no weapon, no damage. Our note for each paint, 43 for red, 44 for blue, and 45 for green, all costing 1. And our new state, Art of Resistance. We will make this state by going to our states, choosing a row, name and image, removal conditions, auto removal timing, turn end 2 to 3, our messages, and in our traits, we'll double click a row, rate, our element, and drop it down from 100% to 50%. This will make elemental attacks deal half the damage. We'll click OK, and do the same for each element you want to apply for your game. In this case, fire, water, and earth. We can then go back to our skills, back to Elemental Masterpiece, under effects double click a row, state, add state, Art of Resistance, 100%, and click OK. On to our next skill, Renaissance, name, image description, skill type artwork, TP cost 40, scope all allies, occasion battle screen, our message, required weapon blade brush, no damage, and our new state realization. We'll go back to our states, we'll choose a new row, give it our name, realization, our image, auto removal timing turn end 2 to 3, our messages, and under traits, double click a row, attack times +2 and click OK. This will make it so that whoever has this state will attack twice more when making regular attacks. We'll go ahead and make our final state, infatuation, image, restriction attack an ally, auto removal timing turn end 2 to 3, and our messages. Once we have these done, we can go back to our skills. Back to Renaissance, under effects, state, add state, realization 100% and click OK. Then move on to our final skill, romanticism. Name, image description, skill type artwork, TP cost 40, scope all enemies, occasion battle screen, our message, required weapon shield brush, no damage, and under effects, double click a row, state, add state, infatuation 100% and click OK. With our skills done, we can go on to our classes. We'll make an artist class, right click and edit our skill type, change our skill to artwork and click OK, right click and edit our weapon, change it to blade brush and click OK, then double click a new row, equip weapon, and scroll down to shield brush and click OK. Once you have that, we can then move on to our skills, putting each skill at the appropriate level by double clicking a row, choosing your level and choosing your skill in the drop box. Brush bash level 1, paint the blade level 2, paint the shield level 2, flames of red level 3, waters of blue level 3, leaves of green level 3, elemental masterpiece level 4, renaissance level 5, and romanticism level 5. Once we have this, we can apply, OK, and when all that's done, you have your class. That's it for this class. Please like and subscribe to show your support. If you have any ideas of a class I should make, please leave a comment about it. Gain access to our private Patreon feed, where you can vote for what class will be made next on our custom class series by supporting us on Patreon. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.